Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the F05 code on the display and isolating power immediately. Once unplugged, you remove the lower access panel to expose the heater, NTC thermistor, and wiring. Make sure to lay down a towel for spills. Next, visually inspect connectors for burning, corrosion, or loose pins and photograph wiring for reference. Finally, use a multimeter to check basic continuity on obvious leads so you know which components to test in the next step. Now you perform measured diagnostics. With the machine still isolated, probe the NTC thermistor and record resistance. Deviations mean a bad sensor. Then test the heating element for continuity and any leakage to ground. An open or shorted heater triggers F05. Also inspect the wiring harness and control board connectors under magnification. Once done, wiggle connections while watching meter readings to reveal intermittent faults. If a component fails, label the part and source an exact. After replacing the identified faulty part, you reconnect all plugs exactly as photographed and tighten any loose terminal screws. Make sure no wires are pinched. Once reassembled, restore power and run a short diagnostic or quick wash to force a heat cycle so you can verify the error is cleared. If the F05 code reappears, note when it happens and any beep patterns. Make sure to document your tests and call a certified technician for control board or inverter level faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.